Hi everyone, Ozzy here. In this video, we're going to explore the art element shape. Shape is a flat outline of an object or area. There are different types of shapes. First, we will start with organic shapes. Organic shapes are those that are found in nature and usually have a random outline to them, like this rock above, and then I will draw a leaf here. Now, many objects are easily recognized just by the outline of their shapes. And even more complex objects, like maybe an animal, just by its simple shape, you can recognize that this is a bird or a duck perhaps. Other shapes are geometric. Geometric shapes are referred to as man-made, and they would have mathematically precise outlines or edges like this right triangle. I will add another triangle here. How about drawing a trapezoid? And then just by having simple shapes, you can draw many recognizable objects. This could be a boat with its sails. Here I'll draw a parallelogram. Now a circle, if it has a precise dimension to it, it would be geometric, but circles are also found in nature and could be close to precise. Maybe I'll add a little block letter L. You can have organic shaped letters or geometric shaped letters. Now we'll talk about positive and negative shapes. Here I'll draw an object that will show both positive and negative. Now remember, an object, the actual outline of the object, is the positive shape, and then the space that's around the object and in between is the negative shape. Here's a scissors or pliers. The space in between its handles and prongs is a negative shape. Let's do an animal. This is the positive shape, and we will frame it. This will be another example. So the frame here is a positive shape, and the animal, which looks pretty much like a turtle, that would be a positive shape. And then the space that's inside the frame and around the turtle is your negative shape. I'll go ahead and darken and fill in the turtle so you can easily recognize the shape from the positive shape from the negative. And with that, just by drawing simple shapes, you can create many different artworks, simple to complex. And here's an example of an artwork created by simple shapes. Hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time.